He is just insisting on sitting on my lap. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here. Today I am so excited to bring to you my current favorites. I have a ton of awesome products that I'm excited to share with you guys. So before we jump in, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that red button down below and giving this video a huge thumbs up, or just a normal size thumbs up. It really helps you out a lot. And let's just get started. All of the products that I am sharing with you guys today will be linked in the bottom bar below or in the description box. Be sure to check them out. A lot of them are very affordable options for you, so go ahead and check them out down below. Start off with skincare because I have a lot of skincare products that I've been trying out over the last few months. I have the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and I've always wanted to get my hands on this and try out Supergoop's products. I've heard such good things specifically about the Unseen Sunscreen. It is such an interesting formula. It goes on like a gel. It really gives me sort of, it's a very gel-like consistency, and what I love about it is it absolutely feels like you're not wearing anything. I wear this under my makeup and it soaks in so quickly. You can't even tell that it's there, but it also doesn't cause pilling, which is something that's really important to me, especially as I layer products on top of each other, and I really like that base of sunscreen. Going along with skincare as well, I picked up the Trader Joe's Watermelon Overnight Face Mask. Now, I've used the Glow Recipe Watermelon Face Mask before, and I have to say, I think I like the Trader Joe's version a little bit better. I love to just slather this on. First of all, it smells incredibly light white, sort of gel-like consistency, and I just slather this on my face before bed. It says you can use this mask about 2 to 3 times per week. It is like an exfoliating kind of overnight mask. I would bathe in this if I could, but I just like to slather it on, and then when I wake up in the morning, my skin is so smooth. I've been getting a lot of little clogged pores, especially on my forehead, just from wearing so much sunscreen all of the time and like hats sitting on my head. So this has really helped to kind of break that up and just clear everything up. And this one is super affordable. I will also link the Glow Recipe one down below, which is like the OG watermelon mask. I've used that one and I absolutely love it, but this is a great, more affordable alternative. For makeup favorites, I have 2 products, and I actually did a video showing my full face of Ilia makeup routine, but I have the Ilia True Skin Radiant Priming Serum and the Super Serum Skin Tint. This has an SPF 40. The 2 together create my dream skin for the summer. It's so glowy, it's hydrated. This one actually has niacinamide, squalene, and hyaluronic acid in it, so your skin is just so supple. It doesn't break me out. But I really only love this as much when I am using the priming serum, and at first I thought it might be just like a little bit excessive, but it just gives you this glow. It is so beautiful. My skin looks radiant but not greasy, and if you guys want to have glowy skin this summer, I 100% recommend these 2 products. I will link the shade that I use down below as well. I also just say you have to get the priming serum with it because I think it just makes the perfect combination. Last makeup favorite is a very old tried and true bronzer, and this is the Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. Look at this thing. It is crusty, it is dusty, it has seen better days. This was one of the first bronzers that I fell in love with when I started really getting into makeup years and years ago. It is a shimmery bronzer, but it doesn't look like you're wearing glitter. It's just a very subtle shimmer glow to it, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. You know when you try out a makeup product that you haven't used in a while and then you're like, why did I ever stop using this? I've just really liked this to switch it up from my normal matte bronzer, so tried and true. Love it, love it, love it. Moving on to hair favorites, I have 1 product that I've been testing out for, it's probably been like 2 or 3 months now. It's almost gone, but it's the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This is one of those things where I've been using it for a while and I wasn't quite sure if it was making a huge difference, and then I stopped using it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this immediately. It makes my hair so soft and I know that I'm getting all of the amazing benefits of Olaplex. I'm a huge fan of Olaplex. I truly believe that's the reason why I have any hair left in my head. I wasn't sure if this would be worth it to me, but it 100% is. I will definitely be repurchasing this. It has that patented technology which is helping repair the bonds of your hair. It's not just like a moisture mask, although this is super moisturizing. I love incorporating this into my routine. The one thing I will say is I personally think that you need way less than you think. I was kind of overusing it and it would weigh my hair down just a smidge, but when you use just a little bit of this product, it does go a long way, and it's everything. Next, I have a really fun favorite that I've been loving. I am giving my nails a break right now because I've been wearing them so much, but I have the Chillhouse Chill Tips. I actually got a package of, they came with like 3 packs, and these are the 2 that I haven't used yet. Look at these nails. These are just glue-on, press-on nails, and the glue that comes with this, you guys, it is durable. And I've tried so many stick-on, press-on, glue-on nails in the past, and nothing has held up as well as these have. And the colors, like, I just feel like they're so trendy and really look like you've got your nails done. For those of you who don't know, I am running my own jewelry business, like very small business, but a lot of times I want to have my nails done when I'm like taking pictures of rings or something, and these have been amazing just to like pop these on. It takes 5 minutes. You don't have to go to the nail salon. It's way cheaper. These have been my favorites. I've also tried a couple of other brands. I'm still testing out, seeing how I like them, seeing which I like best, but absolutely, I would say doing your nails at home or even just doing these little pop-ons have been my favorite thing lately. Next, I have my jewelry favorites. I run a very small jewelry business. I just started a couple months ago. It's called Local the Label, and one piece that I wanted to highlight is this necklace, a little serpent pendant. It's called the Cove pendant, and it is live on localthelabel.com. All of these pieces, actually everything that I'm wearing is from my jewelry brand Local the Label, and they're all real gold plated. They're tarnish resistant, water resistant. I wear these pieces in the lake, I wear them swimming, I wear them in the shower, and they hold up so well. They're really amazing quality jewelry. So shameless self-promotion, I know, but I just wanted to go ahead and add that because they truly are my favorite pieces that I've ever owned. So you can check those out at localthelabel.com. I will link it in the down bar below. And another sort of fashion favorite is this sweatshirt from Lonely Ghost. You guys know I've been a huge fan of Lonely Ghost for over a year. I think probably a year and a half, I guess. I actually made a whole video doing a haul of the Lonely Ghost pieces that I picked up last summer, and still a huge fan of the brand. They were nice enough to send me this sweatshirt. I've been dying to get my hands on one of their sweatshirts recently, and I am absolutely obsessed. There was a period of time where I think I wore this for, I think it was 8 days straight. I would get in the shower and I would just put it back on, and I just could not take it off. So this is what it looks like. And it's the ghostly florals from this collection, and it's like a really vibrant blue with this sort of mustardy yellow gold. I love it. I love the floral detail. I just love it. I have been wearing this I will probably do a whole styling video on how I wear this because I can't get enough. And especially here when I'm wearing swimsuits so often, I love to just throw on like a baggy sweatshirt on top. I always like to size up in their hoodies because I just love the oversized look. So I did get an XL in this, and it's just perfect. I love it. If you guys haven't checked out Lonely Ghost, definitely go check out their website, and their Instagram is my favorite. I just love their aesthetic, the colors, just everything. I think it's just such a vibe, and I love indie blue. I love everything about her. So definitely go check them out down below. I'll leave a link to their website. Really, I have a self-tan favorite, and I know you can't tell right now because I just scrubbed all my tan off. I've been testing out the Saint Tropez Ashley Graham limited edition self-tanner. The amount of times that I have considered writing a strongly worded letter to Saint Tropez asking them to please keep this around forever and not let it be a limited edition. It's astounding. This is possibly the best self-tanner that I have ever used in my entire life. Formula is so creamy. It's like a whipped mousse formula, and the smell, it smells so fresh and like some sort of perfume. Like I love the way that it smells on my skin, and most self-tanners I can definitely not say the same. I've even used this on my face and I absolutely love the results. I will link this down below if I can find a link. I know that it is limited edition. I really hope that you can still get your hands on it, because I think everybody who is into self-tanning should try this. Such a beautiful color. It gives you this rich, luxurious looking tan, but it's not too dark. I feel like I've used other self-tanners that are maybe just a smidge darker than this, but it gives the most beautiful, effortless color, and the formula is just unmatched. So Saint Tropez, if you're watching this, which I'm sure you are, please don't ever take this away. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna try to find as many bottles as I can and just stock up before it goes away. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and again, everything will be linked for you down below. Let me know what your favorites are this summer or recently. I'd love to hear from you guys, and we will see you next week. Bye!